In chapter 7, the first lesson is about evaluating expressions. Evaluating expressions. First one, what does mean the expression? Expression is combining numbers, operations, and sometimes the variables. For example, 2x plus 7, it's called expression. It's combining the numbers, operation, which is the addition sign, and the letters, and it doesn't have the equal sign. Can you see the equal sign in here? No. Expression, it doesn't have the equal sign. Okay, so if the question say evaluate 2x plus 7 for x is equal to 2, 3, and 4. Okay, what does mean the evaluate? Evaluate means finding the answer of this expression, solve the expression. Okay, but the question say for x is equal to 2, 3, and 4. We have different value for x. X is equal to what? How can we solve? X is equal to 2, x is equal to 3, x is equal to 4. We have different value for x, which is 2, 3, 4. So that's why we will have three different answers. Okay, we have three different answers. Why? Because we have three value of x. We have different value for x. Okay, first one, right? If the question say evaluate, you need to find the answer. How? X is equal to write the expression 2x plus 7. So 2x means 2 times x. X is what in here? X is 2. So 2 times 2 plus 7. Do multiplication. Do multiplication first because the PEMDAS rules. PEMDAS is multiplication first. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 7 is gonna be 11. The next one, x is equal to 3. What's our expression? 2x plus 7. So put 3 instead of x. 2 times x means 2. 2x means 2 times x. 2 times 3, x is 3 plus 7. Do multiplication. 6 plus 7 is going to be 13. For x is equal to 4, so 2x plus 7 is the same expression. So 2 times x in here is 4 plus 7, right? 2 times 4 is 8 plus 7 is 15. If the question say evaluate, look at the variables. How many values do we have? X, we have 3 values. 1, 2, 3. So that's why we will have 3 different answers. Okay, that's it. Okay, for another example, let's say the third example, evaluate 2a plus b all square divided by 3 for a is equal to 5, b is equal to 4, and c is equal to 3. This is our expression and it doesn't have the equal sign, so that's why it's called expression. Okay, so evaluate, we say that you need to find the answer. How? Look at the expression. There is 3 variables. There are 3 variables. 1, 2, 3. A, B, C. But the value of A, B, C is given in the question. Because the question says A is equal to 5, B is equal to 4, C is equal to 3. Right? So put these numbers in the expressions. So rewrite it. 2. Instead of A is what? Is 5. So instead of A, write down 5 plus b. Instead of b, what's b in here? Is equal to 4. So 4 all square divided by c is what? The value of c is given, which is 3. By using the PEMDAS rule, p, it is the brackets. Open the brackets. So write 2. What we have inside the brackets? 5 plus 4 is 9 all square divided by 3. So e, the second one is e, which is exponent 4. Do not say 2 times 9 is 81, because e you have to do the exponent 4. The powers 9 squared. 9 squared, it means 9 squared, it means 9 times 9, it's 81. 9 squared, the value of 9 squared, it's not like 9 times 2. It's not like 9 times 2 is 18. It's not like that. Why? Because 9 squared means 9 times 9. 9, what number is 9? How many times is it repeated? Twice. So you need to write 9 times 9 is 81. So 9 times 9 is 81 in the brackets, and 2 is outside, divided by 3. PEM, multiply. We have different way to write the multiplication. Let's say 2a, it is the same as 2 times a. 2a in the bracket is the same as 2 times a. 2 dot a is the same as 2 times a. These are all the same. So in here, 2a in the bracket is the same as 2 times a. So 281 in the bracket is the same as 2 times 81. So multiply 2 times 81. Line up the numbers, we will get 162 divided by 3. Now divide it. Divide these two numbers. 162 divided by 3. How many 3 in 16? Let's say 4. It's gonna be 12. 5, it's gonna be 15. Right? 15 divide 1. Bring it down to how many 3 in 12? 4. 4 times 3, 12. 0. So the answer is gonna be 54. Okay? If the question say evaluate, you need to find the answer. But look at this one. There are 3 variables in the expression, but the value of the variables, which is a, b, c, is given. A is 5, b is 4, c is equal to 3. Just put the value of each variables in the expression, then use the PEMDAS rule. Okay? And another one in this lesson that we study, like terms. Like terms, like terms. The like terms means the terms have the same powers and the same variables, the same letters. Like terms means the same variables, letters and powers. It means exponent form. Okay? Let's say if we have 2x plus 3y squared plus 4x squared minus y squared plus x. This is our if example. If this one is our expression, if the question say define the like term, define the like terms. How can we define the like terms? Look at the terms. Each of them, it's called the terms. Okay? Between each operation, there is a terms. One operation, between this operation, there is a term which is y squared and x. How can we define the like terms? The same powers, the same letters. Look at this one, 2x. Look at the other terms. Which of them they have the same letters, which is the same x, the same variables, and the same powers? Look at this one, 2x. The other one, 3y. This is y, it's not x, so it's not like term. This is x. Okay, stop in here. X and x, the same variables, the same letter. But look at the powers, the exponent numbers. This one is 2, this one there is no number. They are not the same. So that's why 4x is not a like term. Y squared. This is why this x, we say that the same power, the same letters, the same powers. This is why this x is not the same. X and x. Okay, look at the powers. The powers is invisible in here, is exponent means 1. And this one is the same. So the same letter and the same powers. It doesn't matter what number do we have before the x. okay, before the variable. The main point is what? It's the same letter and the same powers. So question, what is the like term for 2a squared? A is equal to 2k squared, b it's equal to 3k, let's say 3a cube, c is equal to a squared, d is equal to 9b squared. This our term is 2a squared. The same letter, the like term means the same letter, the same powers. 2k squared. Look at the letters. Are the letters the same? This is k, this is a. So that's why this is not the like term. We know the powers are the same, the exponent, but the letters are not the same. So that's why it's not like term. 3a cubed. A and A the same letter, but look at the powers. 2 and 3 are the same? No. So it's not. A, look at the exponent 2 and 2. So that's why this is the correct answer. Okay, so A square is like term for 2A square. This is the multiple choice. We have another types of the questions. Let's say the question says simplify and simplify the expression. Simplify the expression, then evaluate it. Evaluate it. So look at the question. Question 17. Question 17 say 3x plus 9x minus 4. 3x plus 9x minus 4x is equal to 4. Read the question. The question doesn't say just evaluated. The question says simplified. What does it mean simplified in here? Simplified mean you have to combine the like terms. Okay, so 3x and 9x, underline the like terms. As we know, 3x and 9x, these ones are like term because they have the same letters, the same powers. We need to combine it. What's our operation between the 3x and 9x? Is addition. So plus them, 3x plus 9x is going to be 12x minus 4. Now we combine the like terms. The question say evaluated. Evaluated. What does mean evaluate? Find the answer. The value of x in here is given, which is 4. Just put 4 instead of x. 12 times 4 minus 4. 12 times 4 multiplied first is 48. Minus 4, it's going to be 44. This is the correct way. So the wrong way is what? Most of you, instead of simplifying, you'll not combine the like term. You're gonna do it like that: 3x plus 9x minus 4. You're gonna put x in. You're gonna put 4 instead of x directly. You're not gonna simplify. So you're gonna do it like that: 3 times 4 plus 9 times 4 minus 4. You will get the same answer, I know. But the question says simplified. If you will not simplify, you will not get the full marks. Okay? So that's why you have to simplify it. You have to combine the like terms, these two one. I know if you're gonna put the value of 4 before you simplify, you will get the same answer. But you didn't simplify, you didn't combine the like terms. So that's why avoid this way. Try to use that way, the correct way to simplify it.